Hello class 9, welcome to history lecture. Today we will continue with the topic of Great Depression. There we have already seen what was the Great Depression and how America suffered from the Great Depression after the huge boom in the economy. Now today we will see the impact of the Great Depression, and we see this that the Great Depression had a huge impact on America as well as on Europe. So first we will see the impact of the Great Depression on America. But we see that in America, due to this Great Depression, what happened is that the Wall Street crash was the major event. The Wall Street crash took place, and due to this Wall Street crash, the American economy completely shattered. And there was a complete economic decline in America, and due to this, we see that share prices declined. Share prices fell or declined completely, and as the share prices fell, all the sectors were gradually affected. Now in this situation, what happened, we see that the common people, the people who had bought the share, they started selling the share at a very low price. So they also suffered a loss. When they are selling their share at a low price, they suffered a loss, and we see that shares were sold at a very low price, and the entire economy, every section and every class of people were affected. Now in this situation, we see that industries, trade and commerce, everything started declining because of falling in share price. As the economy was completely declining, industry, trade, commerce, everything suffered huge decline, and it had a great impact on American economy. Moreover, we see that the banks and the businessmen who had invested in different places, were invested in shares, who had given loan to the farmers. These banks and the businessmen also started suffering huge loss because of the fall in the price of the shares. Because of the Wall Street crash, we see that the banks and cooperatives and businessmen, they started suffering huge loss. Moreover, we see in America the farmers also suffered huge loss because they could not repay back their loan. They had taken the loan from bank, so they could not repay back their loan. So it was a loss of the bank also, and the farmers also. When the farmers could not get the money to repay their loan, the bank started selling the land at whatever price they were getting. Even at a low price, the bank had to sell the land. So this was the impact of the Great Depression on America. That is, it destroyed the American economy. And then we'll see the impact on Europe. In Europe, we see that this Great Depression also had a huge effect, because during this time Europe was dependent on America. It was not only in Europe but all over the world. Actually, the Great Depression had a great effect. In Asian countries also the Great Depression had its effect. But we see in Europe what happened. Europe was dependent on America during this time, because after the First World War, America had taken the role of reconstruction of the European nations. The war-ravaged nation, America had taken the lead role to reconstruct these states, these nations after the First World War. So when American economy completely declined, America could not support the European nations, and in Europe also, you see different countries started suffering huge decline because they are not getting the support from America. And as they are not getting the support of America, their economy, European economy, also started declining, and we see there was huge poverty and unemployment problem in Europe. So in this situation, what happened? Different form politically also it had an effect. It had a political impact also, that different political parties are coming up, but they could not solve the problem, and again new political party was formed. So in this time there was we see that there was a situation of crisis and power vacuum, where any power could not rule for long because they were a failure in controlling this Great Depression. So in Europe was suffering huge economic decline. They were not getting help of America also. The war-ravaged nation were already in a bad condition. Over and above, there was a Great Depression. So in this situation, we see none of the political party could rule for long, and this created political instability in Europe. So in this situation, we will also read the most important thing that happened during this time, that is the Hoover moratorium, which is very important for short answer, objective answer. Hoover moratorium. Hoover was the name of the American president. He became the president of America in 1928. Moratorium means delay or stopping of taking of the debt, stopping or delaying the debt taking process. So Hoover, the president of America, Herbert Spencer Hoover, he announced the moratorium in 1931. In mid 1931, this time he announced a moratorium which became very popular during this time. There what we see, what was Hoover's moratorium? Hoover said in his statement that all the European nations should stop or should delay the taking up of debt from the defeated nation. Like Germany, we know, was supposed to give huge amount of money to different nations of Europe. Because Germany has lost the war, we have read the Treaty of Versailles, that we have seen that Germany was supposed to pay huge amount of money. Now this amount of money could not be paid because economically all the countries are suffering decline. Thus Hoover said that this amount of money, this taking of the debt, should be stopped for 1 year. He requested all the European nations, and all the European nations agreed that they have to stop taking of this debt for at least 1 year. But actually in reality what happened, that for 1 year it was stopped, but even after 1 year this taking of loan could not resume, because the nations which were paying the debt, they refused to pay it after 1 year. And in 1 year we see there was not much improvement in economy. Little bit of improvement was there, but there was not much improvement. So for 1 year he stopped it so that economic situation can be bettered off in this 1 year, then they will collect. This was his plan. But we see that after 1 year also this loan was never collected, and Germany was also unable to pay it because the amount was so high. That is why we see that this Hoover moratorium is important, because Hoover announced this moratorium in his statement, and he said that for 1 year this moratorium should be accepted. That is delay. Moratorium is the delay in taking of the debt. This was the Hoover moratorium. So we'll keep here for today. Thank you.